remove the wheel, use a 22mm socket. Carefully take these caps off and remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Now take some pliers and get on the top of this sway bar link. And just hold that down. And take a 14mm socket underneath. Take the sway bar link out. Just like that. And take this piece out. Now take the sway bar link. We're going to slide this through. Just like this. Bushing on top, and the washer and the nut. Use a 14mm wrench up top and a 14mm socket on the bottom. And tighten this down. And then you can torque this to 81 inch-pounds. Make sure you're on inch-pounds, not foot-pounds. Yep. Put this on. Put the lug nuts on. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts down to 140 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Now just go around again, double check. And put this cap on and just tighten down these caps. Just do this by hand.